Hello, champ. Congratulations on clearing the NOS Level 1 exam. Welcome to India's most awaited and award-winning Olympiad finale, the NOF Champions League. We've prepared 4 sample papers, 40 questions each, with 3 video solutions to help you perform your best. Watch carefully, take notes, practice, and excel. Here is your critical thinking sample paper with solutions.
Hello students, welcome to NOF Critical Thinking Champions League Class 5. In this video, we are solving sample paper 4, the final paper. Every question will be explained slowly, clearly and step by step. So, let's begin. Question number 1. In a village, 10% of people own cars, 20% own bikes and 5% own both. What percentage of people own neither cars or bikes? A. 65%, B. 70%, C. 75% and D. 80%. So, people owning at least one is 10% plus 20% minus 5%, which is equals to 25%. This avoids double counting people who own both. People owning neither is 100% minus 25%. It is equals to 75%. So option C is the correct option. Our next question is question number 2. If it takes 1 hour to fill a tank with a pipe, but there's a leak that empties the tank in 3 hours, how long will it take to fill the tank? A. 1.5 hours, B. 2 hours, C. 2.5 hours and D. 3 hours. So the fill rate is 1 tank per hour and the leak rate is 1 by 3 tank per hour. So the net rate is 1 minus 1 by 3, which is equals to 2 by 3 tank per hour. So the time will be, I will continue here, the time will be 1 divided by 2 by 3. So this gives us 1.5. So the correct answer is option A, which says 1.5 hours. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 3. Success is to failure as kindness is to dash. A. Generosity, B. Cruelty, C. Forgiveness and D. Politeness. Here the correct answer is option B, that is cruelty. Why? Because success and failure are opposites, kindness and cruelty are opposites. This is an ideology based on contrast. So cruelty is the correct option. The next question is question number 4. If you multiply all the numbers from 1 to 10, what will the last digit of the product be? A 0, B 2, C 5 and D 8. The correct answer is option A, that is 0. Why? Because product includes both 2 and 5 and 2 into 5 is equals to 10, which makes the last digit 0. Further multiplication keeps last digit 0. So answer is 0. Next question is question number 5. If a square has a perimeter of 64 centimeter, what is its area? A. 256 centimeter square, B. 128 centimeter square, C. 64 centimeter square and D. 16 centimeter square. So perimeter is 4 into sides and side is 64 divided by 4, which is 16 centimeter. So area is equals to side square, which is 16 into 16, which gives us 256 centimeter square. So our correct answer is option A. Moving on to the next question. Question number 6. A lion, a goat and a bundle of grass must be taken across a river in a boat. The boat can carry only 2 things at a time. If left together, the lion will eat the goat and the goat will eat the grass. How can the farmer take them across? A. Take the goat, return, take the lion, bring the goat back, take the grass and then take the goat. Option B says take the grass, return, take the lion, bring the grass back, take the goat and then take the grass. C, take the lion, return, take the goat, leave it, take the grass and then take the goat. D, it's impossible to take all three across. So here what we can do is take the goat across, return alone, then take lion, bring goat back, then take grass across, return alone, then take goat again. This avoids dangerous pairs. Hence, option A is the correct option. Question number 7. A mother is 4 times as old as her son today. In 10 years, she will be twice as old as him. How old is she now? A 20, B 30, C 40 and D 50. So let the son be X and let the mother be 4X. So after 10 years, mother will be 4X plus 10 and the son will be 2X plus 10. So 4X plus 10 is equals to 2X plus 20. So this will give us 2X is equals to 10 and X will be equals to 10 by 2, which is 5. So the value of X is 5 and mother was 4X. So 4 into 5 gives us 20. So the correct answer is option A. Next question is question number 8. If a square field is increased in area by 44%, by how much will its side length increase? A 10%, B 15%, C 20% and D 25%. Here the correct answer is option C, that is 20%. Let's understand why. Because area is equals to side square and new area is 1.44 times. So under root of 1.44 is equals to 1.2. So the side increases by 20%. Next question is question number 9. If C is the father of D, but D is not the son of C, how is D related to C? A daughter, B father, C mother and D uncle. So D is child of C, not son means female child. So D is daughter. So the correct answer is option A. Question number 10. Piano is to music as brush is to dash. A art, B paint, C drawing, D sketch. So piano produces music, brush produces art, that is painting, and paint is material, not result. So art is the correct answer. Question number 11th. A monkey climbs 4 meters up a tree every hour but slips 2 meters down after each hour. If the tree is 20 meters tall, how many hours will it take the monkey to reach the top? A 10 hours, B 9 hours, C 8 hours and D 7 hours. So net gain per hour is 2 meter. After 6 hours it will be 12 meters. 7th hour climb will be 16 meter. It means it reaches top. No slipping after reaching top. So the answer is 7 hours, which is option D. Question number 12. What is opportunity cost? A. The monetary cost of producing a good or service. B. The benefit foregone by choosing one option over another. C. The total cost of all inputs used in production. D. The cost incurred when resources are wasted. Here the correct answer is option B. The benefit foregone by choosing one option over another. Why? Because opportunity cost is equals to what you give up. Choosing one option means losing another benefit. This is a key economics concept. Question number 13. What is the term for a situation where the demand for goods exceeds supply? A. Surplus, B. Shortage, C. Inflation, and D. Equilibrium. So the correct answer is option B. Why? Because when demand increases supply, goods become scarce. This situation is called shortage. Our next question is question number 14. Find the missing number in the sequence 8, 27, 64, question mark, 6 and 343. Option A says 111, option B says 125, option C says 132, and option D says 160. So these are cubes. 2 cube gives us 8, 3 cube gives us 27, 4 cube gives us 64, and 5 cube will give us 125. So our correct answer, which is missing here, is 125. Our next question is question number 15. Which of the following terms describes an economy in which all major decisions are made by the government? A. Mixed economy, B. Traditional economy, C. Command economy, and D. Market economy. The correct answer is option C, that is command economy. Why? Because government controls production and prices, citizens have little choice. So it is called command economy. Next question is question number 16. What is the meaning of the word ambiguous? A. Clear and precise. B. Open to more than one interpretation. C. Opposing in meaning. D. Exaggerated or extreme. The correct answer is option B. Open to more than one interpretation. Ambiguous means unclear or multiple meanings, used when interpretation is uncertain. Next question is question number 17. Statement says some doctors are scientists, all scientists are researchers. Conclusion is some doctors are researchers, all researchers are doctors, which conclusion is correct? A. Only one follows, B. Only two follows, C. Both one and two follow, D. Neither one nor two follows. So the correct answer is option A. Only one follows. Why? Some doctors are researchers is correct. Why? Because some doctors are scientists, all scientists are researchers. So some doctors are researchers follows. Reverse does not follow. Our next question is question 18. A car travels 60 km in 1 hour, then 90 km in 2 hours, and then finally 150 km in 3 hours. What is its average speed over the entire journey? A. 50 km per hour, B. 55 km per hour, C. 60 km per hour, and D. 65 km per hour. So total distance is 60 plus 90 plus 150, which gives us 300 kilometers, and total time is 1 plus 2 plus 3, which gives us 6 hours. So average speed is 300 divided by 6, which gives us 50 km per hour. So correct answer is option A. Next question is question number 19. A clock shows 3:15. The minute hand moves 180-degree clockwise. What time it will show? A. 6:15, B. 4:15, C. 3:45, and D. 4:45. The correct answer is 3:45. Why? Because 180 degree means half circle, that is 30 minutes. So 3:15 plus 30 minutes is 3:45. Our next question is question number 20. A book is sold at a 20% discount. If the sale price is rupees 400, what was the original price of the book? A. Rupees 500, B. Rupees 450, C. Rupees 480, and D. Rupees 520. So the selling price is 80% of original, and original was 400 divided by 0.8, which gives us rupees 500. So our correct answer is option A. Next question is question number 21. You observe that the cost of tomatoes increases during the rainy season. What could be the primary reason? A. Increased demand for tomatoes, B. Fewer people want to grow tomatoes in the rainy season. C. Rain damages crops, reducing supply. And D. Tomatoes grow faster in rainy season. The correct answer is option C. Rain damages crops, reduces supply. Why? Because rain damages crops, supply decreases. So lower supply, that means higher price. Next question is question 22. If a person takes 12 minutes to walk to school at 6 km per hour, how far is the school from their house? A 1 km, B 1.2 km, C 1.5 km, and D 2 km. The correct answer is, let's get it, 6 km per hour, which is equals to 0.1 km per minute, and distance is equals to 0.1 into 12, which is 1.2 kilometers. So our correct answer is option B, that is 1.2 kilometers. Question number 23. You are organizing a fundraising event and notice that fewer people are buying tickets than expected. What might be the most effective solution? A. Reduce the ticket price and advertise the event more. B. Postpone the event to another date. C. Offer free food and drinks to attendees. D. Limit the number of tickets available for purchase. So, here the correct answer is option A. Reduce the ticket price and advertise the event more. Lower price increases demand and advertising increases awareness. Most practical solution. The next question is question number 24. A man is facing east. He turns 90-degree clockwise, then 180-degree counterclockwise, and then 90-degree clockwise. What direction is he facing now? A. East, B. North, C. South, and D. West. So he starts at east, 90-degree clockwise, that means south, 180-degree anti-clockwise, that means north, and 90-degree clockwise means east. So the position he is standing currently in, facing now, is east. Next question is question 25th. Which of these concepts is associated with the movement of heat through a fluid? A. Conduction, B. Convection, C. Radiation, and D. Insulation. Here the correct answer is option B, that is convection, because fluids transfer heat by movement. This process is called convection. Next question is question 26th. If A and B together can complete a job in 6 hours and A alone can do it in 10 hours, how long will B take to complete the job alone? A. 12 hours, B. 15 hours, C. 20 hours, and D. 30 hours. So A's rate is 1 by 10, A plus B is 1 by 6, B is equals to 1 by 6 minus 1 by 10, which gives us 1 by 15. So B alone can do it in 15 hours. Next question is question 27th. A school has 420 students. If the ratio of boys to girls is 3:4, how many boys are there? A 240, B 180, C 210, and D 150. So total parts are 7. 3 plus 4, 7. So one part, that means 420 divided by 7, which gives us 60. Boys is equals to 3 into 60, which will give us 180. So our correct answer is option B. Next question is question 28. Statement 1. Some fish live in fresh water. Statement 2. Some fish live in salt water. Statement 3. All fish are aquatic. What can be concluded from these statements? A. All fish live in either fresh water or salt water. B. Some fish are neither fresh water nor salt water. C. All fish live in fresh water. D. Some fish live in both fresh water and salt water. The correct answer is option A. All fish live in either fresh water or salt water, because fish live in water and some in fresh, some in salt. So the correct answer is option A. Our next question is question 29. Choose the correct water image of the question figure from the given answer figures. Assume that water is along XY. So this is how it is. So along water it will be something like this. So 1, 3 and 4 can be the options. 2 is excluded. Here let's again, this was the shaded part, so the shaded part will be here at the bottom. This shaded part will be here and here. So with the reflection I can see the correct answer is option 1. So let's find the option 1, which is A. So the correct answer is A. Question number 30. From the given answer figures, select the one in which the question figure embedded. So this is a question figure. Let's have a look. In second, no, we cannot find this pattern. In second, we find this pattern. We also find this and this. So yes, it can be. In third, again, we don't find this kind of a pattern. In fourth, we are finding this pattern, but this is slightly slanted. So the correct answer is second, which is given in option B. So correct answer is option B. Question number 31. 5 friends A, B, C, D and E are sitting in a row. A is to the right of B but left of C. D is to the right of C and E is to the left of B. Who is sitting in the middle? So by all this logical explanation, the arrangement is E, B, A, C and D. So A is in the middle. So the correct answer is option A. Question number 32. Choose the correct water image of the question figure from the given answer figures. Assume that water is along XY. So this is the, so it will be remaining same just like this, but this key inside will become like this. So option 1 is excluded, 2 can be, 3 can be and 4 can be. So this black fillables are on the left side, so they will be on the left side. So no, this is on the right. Again no, because this is on the right. And yes, third one, because both the fillables are on the left. So the correct answer is the third one, which is option C. Next question is question number 33. What is always coming but never arrives? A. Present, B. Tomorrow, C. Future and D. Yesterday. The correct answer is option B, that is tomorrow. Why? Because tomorrow never actually comes. When it comes, it becomes today. The next question is question 34. If the price of 5 apples is equal to the price of 2 oranges and the price of 1 orange is rupees 30, what is the cost of 1 apple? A. 10, B. 12, C. 15, D. 20. So 2 oranges is rupees 60, 5 apples is rupees 60 and 1 apple, 60 divided 5, that is 12. So correct answer is option B. The next question is question number 35th. Choose the correct water image of the question figure from the given answer figures. Assume that water is along XY. So this is the image. So when water will be here, the image will be something like this. So yes, it can be 1, it cannot be 2, it can be 3, it cannot be 4th. So the dot was here, the dot will still remain here, the N will be reflected and H will remain the same. So N will be reflected. Yes, here the N is reflected, here N is not reflected. So the correct answer is option 1 and option 1 is in A. So the correct answer is A. Question number 36. Statement 1. All humans are mammals. Statement 2. Some mammals can fly. Statement 3. All humans cannot fly. What can be conducted from these statements? A. Some humans can fly. B. No mammals can fly. C. Some mammals are not humans. And D. All mammals can fly. Here the correct answer is option C. Some mammals like bats can fly and humans cannot fly. So some mammals are not humans. So the correct answer is option C. Question number 37. From the given answer figures, select the one in which the question figure embedded. So this is the figure that we are looking here. So can it be in 1? No, because there is no this line here, so it cannot be in 1. In second, can it be? No, because we are not able to see this kind of a feature which is here. So again, no. In third, no. In fourth, no. So here, let's again have a look. And the first one, yes, it is going. Yes, it can be the one. So what we'll do is we'll select the first, which is in option A. Question number 38. If the pattern continues, what will be the 50th letter in the series ABC, BCA, CBC, BABC? So 50th pattern in the pattern repeats every 5 letters. So the 50th letter will be 50 divided by 5, exact cycle. So the last letter will be B, which is option B. Question number 39. What is the primary purpose of the scientific method? A. To prove a hypothesis is correct. B. To collect data about the natural world. C. To systematically investigate and test explanations for observed phenomena. D. To create theories without experimental advice. Here, the correct answer is option C. To systematically investigate and test explanations for observed phenomena, because it tests explanations logically and experimentally, not blind proof but systematic investigation. The next question is question 40. David has 5 sons, each of whom has one sister. How many children does David have in total? A 7, B 6, C 10, D 12. So all sons share the same sister. So children is 5 sons plus 1 daughter, which is equals to 6. So correct answer is option B. Excellent work, students. You have now completed sample paper 4, class 5th with full clarity. Remember, in exams, you have to perform well. So all the best for the exams.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content.